Hi, I'm going to show you how to use your AM aligner. The AM aligner is what we made you the day that we delivered your appliance. This is super important because when you use this, you have a less chance of your bite changing over time. So it's super important that you wear this every single morning. What we want you to do is wake up in the morning, take your appliance out, brush your teeth, brush your appliance, do your normal routine. Just, drinking your coffee or eating oatmeal or, whatever your normal routine is, just do that. Eat your breakfast, drink your coffee. That swallowing helps get your bite back to your natural, normal biting position organically. So then you can help, then this helps you get your bite back even better. So I want to show you and demonstrate to you what this is supposed to look like when you have it in your mouth. So like I said, wake up in the morning, drink your coffee, do your normal routine. You can wait 45 minutes to an hour and a half before you put this in. Then we want you to put it in over your lower teeth, make sure it's snapped into place. Okay, it's into place. So now I'm just going to bite into it, and this is all that you have to do once you put this in. So you want to make sure that your teeth are all the way down into the grooves of the aligner, and you want to be able to pull your cheek back and see that these teeth are all the way together on both sides. So you can keep that in for about 4 or 5 minutes or so, is usually the best time frame, but just keep in mind when you work your jaw out naturally, you're gonna have to keep this in less time. And over the years, you'll have to wear it even less, maybe 3 or 4 minutes, or 1 to 2 minutes instead of the 4 to 5. So if you have any questions, as always, you can call our office, or you can email Andy or I. Thank you.